So, hi, I'm going to be making cookies for today's episode, and so you add it in. I already did it. Then you get 1 stick of butter. You want to have it been soft for a few hours or minutes, I don't know. Then you put it in. Oh. Do we need this in particular one, or? It's hard because it's been waiting out for like 2 days.
Yeah, waiting out for today.
And yesterday, but it was in the freezer. Or fridge, whatever. Okay. Now we can get the excess butter out. Do we mix now? And you get a mixer, and well, you need only 1 egg. Okay, I'm gonna put it at 1 right now. And it might look like scrambled eggs. Well, not really, but